Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually remove an enchanting from your tools, and this will work only for the version that has specific items that I will show you later on in this video. And unfortunately, for those who doesn't have this version of the game, they will not be able to remove the enchanting unless you don't want to get your XP back. If you don't want to get your XP back, you can actually follow my tutorial and it will work for you. So now let's get ahead and start our video. Let's get into the single player and then let's click on play world, and let's see if we have any enchanted tools. So yeah, we have both a bow and the sword, so we're gonna use them both to show you, sorry guys, how you can actually remove the enchanting from them. First of all, let's get ahead and get the item that we want to use, and it must be somewhere in here, I think. Yep, it is this one, as you can see. Now this one, the grindstone, is the one that actually will help you to remove any enchanting from your tools, and this will give you even XP back. So for example, let's get to game mode, let's open to LAN and then turn it on, slash game mode survival, and as you can see my level is only 7, but and it is here. Of course this item will not give you every single XP, but it will give you a little bit. So for example, it's 27, and just like so it becomes a little bit higher, and again if I use that on my bow, I'm becoming now 28. So that's how you can actually do it using this item. If you want to use it otherwise, you can, for example you want to remove the enchantment from this sword. How you can do it is basically go to your crafting, get your swords together, and voila, that's how you can actually remove it from your sword. This second method will work at any version of Minecraft, but the first one will work only in the latest versions of Minecraft. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, see you in the next tutorial.